Welcome to Kae Jax Homestead. Hello everyone, I'm Darla, and together with my family, we're excited to share our journey homesteading, saving money, and enjoying retirement. Our channel is all about living a fulfilling and sustainable life. You know, on a budget. What will you find here different from the other channels? Well, let me share that with you. 1. Homesteading tips. From growing your own food to DIY projects, we'll show you how to make the most of what you currently have. 2. Money saving advice. My husband's really good on this category. We've got over 40 years experience. Practical tips to help you stretch your dollars further without sacrificing the quality of life for you and your family. 3. Retirement living. Although this category is new to us in the last 2 years, insight and strategies for making the most of your retirement. Living comfortably, you know, on a retirement budget. 4. Crafting and more. This one is dear to my heart. Join me in my love for painting, crocheting, sewing, and other crafts that will bring joy and creativity to your home and mine. Whether you're looking to start your own homestead, save money, or simply enjoy a simpler, more intentional lifestyle, you've come to the right place. Subscribe and join our community as we learn, grow, and thrive together. Thank you for being here, and we look forward to sharing our journey with you.